Hello, I'm Timothy Perfect from Twocanoes software, and I'd like to show you a demo of an update I'm working on for certificate request. It's a big update. It allows you to import a file with a bunch of names and it create computer accounts or user accounts with those names, and then associate a certificate or a 802.1x configuration profile with a certificate from Active Directory, and bulk create those and then send them out. So the idea is that if uh, a bunch of iOS devices or Mac devices that you want to be able to create profiles or certificates for and distribute them, this allows you to bulk create in an easy way. So let me give you the kind of the scenario that I have here. I have a wireless network that I'm currently on that is called PSNet, and that gives me access to my domain controller. But I want my clients to get on this secure network, which is secured. If I select it, it'll prompt me for authentication, but really it's protected by EAP TLS, which requires a certificate from Active Directory, and also some settings, which is usually packaged up into a configuration profile and installed on an Apple device like a Mac or an iPad or an iPhone. So I'll show you how to bulk kind of create those. So I'm connected up to domain controller. This is it's also a certificate authority. I don't really have any computer accounts, but these are the ones that are going to be created. So in certificate request, I need to be able to import the names and passwords of these devices that be created. So I've got this CSV file that has basically just name device 01 through 10, and then a password that's been generated for that device. I just use device 00 $sign as a password for those devices, but that could be anything. So let me go ahead and select that CSV, put it in here, and I can either just export the certificate that's been generated or has been submitted and generated by the certificate authority, or I can embed it in 802.1x configuration profile. So I'll do that and I'll configure it. So that's secure, and I want to trust my certificate authority. So that's done. It tells me the name of the SSID. And now I want to actually create these computer accounts based on the CSV. So where I want to create them is inside, you can see inside this computers. So I want to put it inside the regular computer container. So that would be cn equals computers, ds equals my domain, and then my admin username. I'll just use my same one I'm using to my domain admin, and the password. And then I'll hit install, and I'll put it in there on the desktop with my profiles. And then so it created the accounts, and now it's authenticating as each account and requesting a certificate from the domain controller, and it just finished. So now on my desktop I have 10 configuration profiles, and if I look inside Active Directory and refresh this, I can see that it created 10 devices. And so now if I want to authenticate to this network, I just distribute this. First one I'll do is I'll actually connect up on this device itself, double click on it, and install this profile. There it goes. So it's installed. And now when I go and I choose the secure network, you can see I no longer get prompted, and it's going to authenticate to this network. There I go. So now I'm on that secure network. I'll switch back over to the other one. Well, I guess I don't even read to. Let me share this device 5 with my iPhone. So I do share AirDrop. I believe AirDrop would work. It's going to work over between networks. There we go. Select it. Get prompted. And install this profile on my iPhone. I want to say install. Okay, the profile's been installed. So now if I go back, you can see that it's there, and I want to go up to my Wi-Fi settings, and then I'll try and get on that network. I'll select the secure network, and it's authenticating. There it is. So now I'm on this secured ETLS network. Very easy, simplified way to do it. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to hear any feedback and anybody interested in trying the update to certificate request out. Thanks very much.